In this video, we're going to show you how to purge your Volkswagen TDI fuel system after changing your fuel filter. This will get all the air out of the lines and ensures a smooth start so you don't cause any damage to your high pressure fuel pump. If you go ahead and change your fuel filter and you don't do this, you could have air in your high pressure fuel pump, and the diesel acts as a lubricant, so without any diesel in there, you could cause some damage, up to $2,000, $3,000 in repair bills. So go ahead, turn your car to the on position and plug your OBDeleven into your OBD2 port on your Volkswagen. Next, go ahead, get your app or any device, whatever phone you're using, connect it to Bluetooth, and pull up the app. Go ahead and connect. And go down here to the submenu. We're going to need to go to Engine. Sometimes it doesn't connect, so let's go between two of these. Go back to Engine. Now we're in Engine. We'll go to Basic Settings. Go to block 35. And you'll see it says fuel pump. And what we're going to do is hold down the little check mark here. The lift pump in your diesel tank in the back will run and fill up the fuel filter in the front. And the auxiliary pump in the engine bay will start running as well to fill up the high pressure fuel pump. You want to do this for about 3 minutes total to be on the safe side. Some people do 30 seconds. Volkswagen states 3 minutes total. I would rather do 3 minutes and, save the repair cost. And you'll hear both of them running in the front and rear. So go ahead and do this for 3 minutes. Once the 3 minutes is up, you can go ahead and shut off, and you'll hear everything click off, and you're ready to start your Volkswagen TDI. After you're done running the fuel pumps, go ahead and start your Volkswagen, and you're all set.